In the heart of Olokoro Clan lies the mighty village of great warriors and peasant farmers called Okwu. Okwu is a community made up of 7 surviving villages. Some of these villages are related to one another and don't intermarry. One of the Okwu villages, named Umuarokoro, has a gift to naturally transform into leopard at will. Okwu community has an affinity with Okwuta Ibeku. Okwu is known for its popular Ogbom cultural dance and Ekpe Festival. Ekpe is a major event that is performed during the celebration of Yam Festival in Okwu and around the entire Olokoro Clan. Legend has it that the Ekpe Festival was introduced into the clan's myriad of cultures through Ohafia by a woman. It is an all-participatory event, and the participants usually organize themselves in choral groups according to age grades. The choral groups, who wear different costumes, sing and dance around a set of drummers and before a sea of spectators. The climax of the festival is when the Ekpe masquerade would behead a sacrificial matured goat with a single machete cut, which is done before a Hanjoko shrine at the village square. But before the masquerade would cut the goat's head at the village square, it must have completed visitations to designated shrines and points around the village. If he misses the cut, he would be booed, and it would become a reproach to the village for generations to come. Once the Ekpe masquerade cuts off the head of the goat, young and energetic men from all walks of life would tussle for who will get hold of the goat's head, after which the head of the goat would be redeemed with a token. The goat's head would be handed to a woman related to the chief actor, which is the masquerade, while she would display the head of the goat on a stick, flanked by her friends, and dance around the community.